Hello, welcome back to the channel, and we're on another Fast Fix Friday. Today we are changing the battery in this Key. It's off a Ford Fiesta 2005, but Mondeos, Focuses, Transits, C-Maxes, S-Maxes, you know, they're all going to be pretty much the same. So first thing you'll need is a battery, and it should be a CR2032 type battery, and this bit should separate, sort of this horseshoe section should separate from the remote, the button section, just by pulling it like that. Now on this one, the chip is sort of there. It is stuck in, but there's a chance that yours might be loose, so make sure you don't lose that, otherwise you're going to be into a new key. And then you want to split it. I've just got a little thin flat blade screwdriver. Split it like that. This one isn't actually that tight. And then you'll reveal two halves. Obviously we want the battery half. We should just be able to flick this battery out. Like that. Open the new one. Put it back in. It was positive side up. Come on. There we are. It just clicks in. Key back together. Nice. And then the horseshoe back on. It does only go on one way, that way. There we go. Done. And hopefully the message we were getting on the dashboard should have vanished. Key battery flat, or whatever it was saying. Yeah, nothing there now. Beautiful. So there we are. That's this Fast Fix Friday done. Simple one, easy one, something you can do at home. They're about £2 these batteries. Lovely. Cheers for watching, see you next time. Bye.